Hello everyone. We're here with another today's weather, and see what's going on outside. I think I would like to bring to you guys attention the weather today, where the temperature this morning, well, in most of Georgia, was around the 30s, middle 30s, high 30s, very cold. So you start to study in chapter 8 about air masses. So the main characteristic you have for this air mass right now is dry and cold. Think about which air mass have this characteristic. So we're gonna have a question after this one. So which air mass will be classified as a cold and dry? So that's the reason you have here. If you see the satellite image, you pretty much don't have clouds over most of the United States. So which pressure system cause no clouds? You have a sinking air in the center. So think about that, and I'm gonna show you later on if you keep. So another interesting fact to talk about is the humidity. You have a very, very low humidity over most of the United States, especially in the South United States. You see the dew point temperature is very low. In Georgia, we're talking about areas where 52. So what that means, a lower dew point temperature, very dry. That's another characteristic you have in terms of dew points. So another fact you have today is another hurricane. We probably broke the record this season, the hurricane season, where you have another hurricane in this area going to Puerto Cabezas. Hurricane Eta is they expect this hurricane will be Cat 5. You see the winds is very strong. As you know, have a counterclockwise rotation. So what kind of circulations? Cyclonic or anticyclonic circulation? Let's see the center of the wind here right now, 40 miles per hour. Some areas, that's the computer models. So it's not observed it's not measured in our computer. It's much faster if you talk about. So alti circulation is going to bring a lot of storm surge in this part of Mexico and Belize as well. That would be a very interesting situation you have this year. So going back, our pressure system over the United States, if you haven't figured out what kind of the pressure system you have, let me show you. You have a high pressure system, very strong high pressure system, about 1030 I think, 1020 hectopascal. So all this characteristic of high pressure, what you see is a very weak wind, as we studied in chapter 8. We talk about circulation, sinking air, dry air. So which air mass? Continental polar. So today you have the first continental polar air mass over most of the United States. That's why you got this temperature drop. Also we have clear skies. So as you see the connection, if you start to read our textbook, learning, and go outside and look at the sky, you're gonna make the connection what you learn in class with what's going on outside. So this high pressure is going to be over us for a couple days. As you see, by tomorrow it start to moving up. I don't believe you're going to have a chance of rain soon. Let's check it. Not much chances of precipitation over Georgia because the high pressure is still. So this high pressure also is going to block this hurricane, because the hurricane, you see, barely start to die over this area, not to be much strong as it used to be. Probably okay, start to moving by Saturday. That's the computer model shows it start to going back and probably intensify over Cuba. So Cuba is gonna be hit by a hurricane Sunday in the morning. So very strong system start to moving around. So let's see what happened. Turn around, go back to Gulf of Mexico. By Monday, Florida probably is gonna get some elements. The hurricanes go back to Gulf of Mexico. That's not good. Probably start to intensify again. That's not so good by next week, by next Tuesday. That's the model. So things could change, especially when we talk about hurricanes. So let's see further. All right, Tuesday is still moving. It seems Louisiana is going to have another hurricane this season. It's going to intensify. Well, we don't know what's going to happen by next Thursday. So the hurricane will be very intense in Gulf of Mexico. God knows what's going to happen in this future. So that's what we have for today. I hope you enjoy our weather talk. And if you found have anything interesting related to our class, I will post for you guys. Enjoy the rest of the day.